Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my delicious crispy chicken, okay? And I also am going to have some corns, and I only have 2 items in my menu for you guys, okay? It's gonna be so fast and easy, okay? Now let me show you guys what I have for you. I have my buttermilk. I mixed it with what I did. I have some heavy cream and 1 egg, and then I have a little bit of salt and black pepper, okay, for my chicken. And I have my flour, okay, and here I have all my spice, paprika and parsley flakes, and some Creole seasoning, a little bit of it, and meat tenderizer, and onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder. Ginger is very good for you guys when you're cooking. And also here I have my meat already marinated, okay, been sitting in the marinade for like 2 hours, okay. And here I have my corns already boiled, guys, okay. What I did with my corns, I added some sugar and a little bit of butter and salt in the water, so I let it boil. It's very delicious when you do that, guys, okay. So what I'm going to show you next, I have my pot already warming up, okay. Now I'm going to add my chicken. So guys, that's what I always do. I like when I'm cooking my chicken and then to boil it first, okay. When you do that, guys, all your spice, everything marinate, stay in your chicken, okay? That's the main reason I do that. Okay, it gives the meat some good flavor every time you boil your meat first before you fry it or baked, whatever you're doing. Okay, it's good when you do that. Okay, let me put that up. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to let it boil. Okay, when we come back, guys, and then we'll start. I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do my mixture. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, as you can see, my chicken already cooked. Okay, now what I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you guys my mixture. Okay, I'm going to mix everything in. Okay, and adding my flour. You know what, let me put on my gloves because I'm going to need it anyway for my chicken. Okay, so I can just go ahead and mix in my flour. Okay, guys, when you do that, and then your chicken already, oh, I'm making a mess. Your chicken already boiled, guys. The chicken is gonna be so good. All your seasoning marinade is going to be in your meat. Okay, I think I'm good now. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get my chicken. Oh, no. Mix it in there. Buttermilk. Okay, and then you do like that. Okay, you squeeze it down. Okay, make sure all your flour gets in. Okay, guys. Okay, get another one. Okay, guys, you see my meat have little cuts, okay, between them, because when you do that, guys, it's very good because when your marinade gets in, that gives it, like, you know, gives your meat good flavors. Okay, especially when you boil your meat. Okay, you squeeze everything through. Okay, all right guys. Okay, now I'm going to add them in the grease. Okay, let me do another one. Oh, I missed one, guys. I think I missed one. My bad. I think I missed one. Okay, you do the same. All right, squeeze it in. So the flour can just stick on the meat. Okay, guys. Okay, going in. Another one. Okay, go in my flour. Okay guys, I'm going to finish that up, and when we come back I'll show you everything. Okay, all right, let me just put that in. Squeeze it real good. Okay guys, okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time to check on our chickens. Okay, let me show you what's going on. Okay, here guys, it smells so delicious. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in this bowl, guys. I'm using napkins, or my oil can just stay in the napkin. Look at that, guys. You see that? Looks very nice and crispy, guys. I can't wait to start eating my chicken, guys. You see that? You see? Very nice. Okay? Look at this one. Okay? Woo. Smells so good, guys. I wish you guys were here. Alright, now I'm going to add the other ones. Okay. My hand's clean, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, let me see if I can put this one in. Yep, can go in. Okay guys, let me just cover it up. Okay guys, when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you guys what I have for you. My chicken already cooked. As you can see, my plate already fixed. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my hot pepper and some thyme, okay, for my decorations, guys. Okay, voila. Okay, and also I have on my corn, I have some paprika and some parsley flakes and some butter on top of it. Okay guys, I melted some butter for you. Okay, so if you like this recipe, guys, okay, it's very easy, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, give it a try. Always give it a try. Okay, so see you guys next time. Bye.